What's up, my guys and girls? We're here with Firefly. So glad to have this opportunity to partner with Firefly and bring this amazing, incredible device to you all. Just remember that we need content uploaded to your Greenfly account so that we can make sure that we're staying compliant with the actual partnership. I'm going to show you exactly how to put this on for your travels. Remember, Firefly is a partnership that we have been working on and finally secured it. Hello! And it is for a lower leg recovery. All right, so what we're going to be doing is just putting these on for travel. What it's going to help with is just continuous blood flow throughout your time in the sky and throughout your time on the bus. What we have here are a pack of Firefly straps. They come two in a pack. Right here on the Firefly, you'll see that there are arrows leading to this little small circle right here. This small circle you want to put over that outside bone. The head of the fibula is what it's called. That outside bone. It's pretty tender when you tap on it. So I'll have you guys take it off. Find that head of the fibula. Align that dot, the head of the fibula, and set it up, and we're ready to go. So inside of our case, got some choke pad straps to help with just keeping the device in place. This is helpful if you have sweats on, like how I have sweats on. When I roll it down, it's actually going to keep the device in place. And that's what we want, especially during travel, especially on the plane. All right, so I'm gonna put that on there. And then once that's strapped in, ready to go, what we got left is to turn it on. We're gonna quick push the plus sign, and you'll see, you should be able to see that green light
members may freeboard at this time. Concierge here for 20.
And once that green light comes on, you'll start to feel the twitches, the activation, all right? You can go up for a little bit more activation. See that my whole leg is now starting to get that good twitch response. Feet, and just help with good circulation while we're up 30,000 plus feet in the air, okay? Timing parameters that y'all want you guys to set this on every hour on the hour. Go ahead and turn these on for 10 minutes. Allow that recirculation while you're in flight or on the bus for travel. Turn it off after 10 minutes and repeat that while you're in travel for every hour on the hour. Remember that there are 30 hours of shelf life in these disposable devices, meaning that if you use them 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can have anywhere between 1 to 2 months of use. Get with your athletic trainer for any replenishment that you may need. You want the device on only when you're actually seated. I don't want you guys to have these the stim unit actually going while you're walking or running, playing, any of that. It should be while you're seated so that you can have that good active recovery. Turn it off. Long press the minus button. The lights turn off. Once the lights turn off, you're good to go. I'm gonna keep mine on just like this, and once I get on this flight, I'll turn it on. I want you guys to do the same. Get with your athletic trainer if you have any questions, any other questions about that. Otherwise, I'll see you so soon. Peace, love, and light.